Breakfast in our household. Sitting here talking about my husband and his prototyping. So he's been inventing 3D printing stuff, all different sorts of things. So this prototype is for machine extraction, so that you can put your vacuum cleaner onto it and then adjust it to whichever angle you need to get correct for that to work. It's 2 parts. You can put it together, and of course you can twist it to do whatever you need. So it's like 2 parts, you can see through it. I actually reckon it's really cool. So this is what we do at breakfast time. We sit here, we talk about things like this, we play with things that he 3D prints. My husband, the inventor, the prototyper, the developer. I think the most interesting bloke I've ever met in my life. So we've got a right angle, we've got a not quite right, it doesn't sit well. Maybe we do that. You can see it's definitely there. So yeah, I reckon this is really cool. So you got 2 parts. Put them together, and then you can go twist. So how cool is that? So if you've got a machine, you need to get extraction to it. My husband's the man to talk to help develop and solve your problems and work out a solution. 3D print you a custom made part for your machine. So, breakfast time in the Helmreich household. Welcome to my world.